is a unique and spectacular marvel. Billions of individuals of millions of kinds of plants and animals, dazzling in their variety and richness, working together to benefit from the energy of the sun and the minerals of the earth, leading lives that interlock in such a way that they sustain each other. We rely entirely on this finely tuned life support machine, and it relies on its biodiversity to run smoothly. Yet the way we humans live on Earth now is sending biodiversity into a decline.
Good afternoon, everyone. For today's video, we discuss about the nutritional impact of biodiversity. According to the World Health Organization, biodiversity is a vital element of a human being's nutrition because of its influence to food production. Biodiversity is a major factor that contributes to sustainable food production for human beings. A society or a population must have access to a sufficient variety of nutritious food, as it is a determinant of their health as human beings. Health, biology, and biodiversity. Almost all living organisms are dependent to their environment to live and reproduce. Basic needs of living organisms, such as air, water, food, and habitat, are provided by its environment. The evolution of human beings was due to the improved access to these basic needs. Advances in agriculture, sanitation, water, treatment, and hygiene that have had a far greater impact on human health than medical. Environmental hazards increase the risk of cancer, heart disease, asthma, and many other illnesses. These hazards can be physical, such as pollution, toxic chemicals, and environmental-related illnesses. Some human illnesses that are found to be related with its environment include Parkinson's disease, heart disease, cancer, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, asthma, diabetes, obesity, occupational injuries, dysentery, arthritis, malaria, and depression. According to experts, climate change could also have a serious impact on human health and could deteriorate farming system and reduce nutrients in some foods. For example, pesticides play an important role in increasing crop yields, but they can also pose hazards to human health and the environment. Alternatives to pesticide uses could significantly reduce agricultural productivity, leading to food shortage and increased food prices, which would in turn increase starvation in some parts of the world. The importance of biodiversity to human health. Health is our most basic human right. For most people, it does not just mean freedom from illness, but a state of overall social, emotional, physical, spiritual, and cultural welfare. Being well and having the capacity to look after our health and that of our family or community depends upon a range of factors, including our economic status and ultimately on our environment. Health is therefore one of the most important indicators of sustainable development. Biodiversity is the foundation for human health by securing the life-sustaining goods and services which biodiversity provides to us. The conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity can provide significant benefits to our health. In contrast, the continuing loss of biodiversity on a global scale represents a direct threat to our health and well-being. Without a global environment that is healthy and capable of supporting a diversity of life, no human population can exist. Biodiversity supports food security, dietary health, livelihood sustainability. Genetic diversity in food systems provide the foundation of crop development and food security and promotes resistance and resilience to environment stresses including pest and disease of the crops and livestock. Diets based on diversity of food species promote health and can help to protect against disease by addressing the problem of micronutrients and vitamin deficiencies. Loss of agricultural biodiversity can therefore threaten health, livelihood sustainability, and our future security of food and nutrition. Biodiversity provides important resources for medical research. Studies of wildlife anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry can lead to important developments in human medicine. Examples of species of interest to medical science include bears for insights into osteoporosis, cardiovascular disorders, renal disease, and diabetes.